Welcome back, everybody. So we're back here working on the Kyosho DuneMaster, and it's going pretty good so far. We got steps 1 through 3 done, so we'll bring you down and show you what we got going on. So here we are. Steps 1, 2, 3. All done. All done. Okay, that didn't work like I wanted it to, but there we go. Steps 1 through 3. All jokes aside. So hinge pins, front A-arms, and the front bulkhead all done and set to go. Yep. Okay, well, we'll see you probably in another 3 steps. We're back with another 3 steps, right? 3?
Yep.
Trace. Little trace steps. There we have it. We'll go down to the page, show them what we did. We built the servo saver, we built the steering rack, and then we attached it all to the chassis and then put the little top brace on. That's what we did. And that's where we're at. And so far I'm digging it. Yep. Okay, we'll see you again in a few. Okay guys, next couple steps done. I got some links built and we got our front knuckles built. Yep. Cool. I'll see you on the next one. Alright, well this is where we're going to end part 1 of the Kyosho DuneMaster build. We did pretty good. We got the transmission all put together, rear arms on, chassis all built, front arms on, all the steering all built. Turned out pretty good. I really dig this kit, all the nice good hex hardware, quality. Okay. Alright, we're going to pick this up again tomorrow night. So, I guess that's that, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.